Welcome everybody to basically the same game as the other game, like this, except with trucks. What? Let's get started, shall we? I said shall we. Gang. Hello. I can fix this. Everybody says such keep it. What? Everybody says touch, keep going. Eggs, bacon, grits, tacos. I like tacos in my tacos. What? Don't ask. Derby mode. Yeah. Loading game. Please wait. 1. Change camera views. Change controls. Select different levels. Try derby mode. Try other cars. Okay. Yeah. No. Okay with that. Oh wait, they're right there. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go. Oh shoot, it's a bus. Stupid. I don't got ABS. Let's change that. And let's change car. I'm not about to mess this thing up. Now change. Okay. Which card do I want to use? Yeah, let's jack up this card. Turbo! There we go. Oh, they're right behind me. That drift though. Bye. Yeah, cuz. I am a tiger. Makes no sense. This is getting boring. I'm gonna race now. I'm gonna go somewhere. It's lagging so much for me. Oh, there goes the white one. Oh, there goes the bus. Move! Get out the way! Get out the... Whoa, shoot! That bus came up fast. Look what you did to me, cop! Uh-oh. It's not gonna go well. Oh, we landed it! The bus made the jump. Cool. Aha. Now watch me whip. Watch me, Nene. Now watch me... I'm recording here.
Hello everybody, it's me, IsaacClone24 in the background. Yes, subscribe to Super's channel. Please. Please subscribe to YouTube.
English there.
I can't pronounce it. Like, please subscribe to Okay, are you having a... So what game exactly are you playing here?
Something with trucks. I don't even know anymore. Something SUV racer.
Wow, that bus is stuck. See, I can't understand why those buses keep getting stuck.
Because it's so long and they can't maneuver.
They're so long. Wow, it's so long. I can't hope no one can say anything good in the comments. People!
What is that truck doing? What is my truck doing? What is anything doing? What turtles?
You don't understand anything, don't you?
I don't understand!
Oh! I'm getting no stuff. I'm gonna leave now, people. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to this.
Stupid pop-ups! It's that drift though. This truck is jacked up. Is the bus coming? It got stuck again. I flipped it. Yes, I flipped it. I didn't flip it. What the freak? Hey, I'm over here, stupid. Hey, stupid. I'm over here. Leprechaun, leprechaun, in a dish. How many pieces do you wish? Ha! Got him! They never found me. Yeah, they found me. Turn car. Driving so fast, I'm driving so fast, 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 fast. Alright, let's change truck. Right after we fix it. Yeah, I like this truck. No, I don't like this truck. You're gonna use it anyway. Oh, dang. Oh, how you managed to mess with that part? Uh-oh, we're screwed. Yeah, that's the problem with this truck. It's so raised up, I can't do anything without wrecking it. Well, I can't drift though. Don't touch me, you peasant. You are a peasant. Don't touch me, peasant. Driving me car. I'm driving me car. Me car. Me car. I wrecked me car. Stupid pop-ups. What the freak kind of jump was that? Whoa! These kids are flying! Come on, we gotta get here before the bus gets here. Crap. Where's the bus? Banana bus. Banana bus. It's still over there. It's stuck. Of course, you stupid bus. Banana bus, banana. Wow! Doing parkour off of him like a bouse. Like a bousey bouse of all bouses. Banana bus, banana. Ah! Where are you going, retard? Am I over there? I'm tired of saving you. You're freaking retarded. Yes, push, guys. Everybody push. No, maybe not. Bus. I'm flying. Probably a bad thing. Can't see that bus in my way. Sickers! Kill shot! I changed trucks. Whoa! Whoa! Strip you. I love this truck. But I'm not gonna use it because it's awesome. To me, it's awesome. I'm gonna use this truck instead. Perfect drift. Super pop. You know what? See, this is the end of the video.